Hi, Praveen Munde, business owner and founder of Magnet Global. So today we are going to discuss about very important topics which we need to always remember while working in any organization in the market. Now always remember, every organization will run with you or without you. So you should have fear of loss to yourself. If I will not do, somebody else will do in the organization. If I will not fulfill my responsibilities, somebody else will fulfill the responsibilities. And if somebody else started doing the fulfilling your responsibilities, then what is your use to be there? Are you getting my point? So it is very important. You have to start taking the maximum responsibilities. You have to start taking and start giving fear of loss to yourself while working in the organization. So work with the fear of loss factor and always give this fear of loss to yourself instead of giving somebody else. Are you getting my point? Always have one thing in your mind, that this organization is running before getting my selection, and will run after my basically termination also. So it is important that I have to put my effort to prove my leadership. I have to work in no option situation, give fear of loss to myself, and always work so much hard over there. Next point is the work in no option situation. If you started giving the options, doesn't matter in the career field, doesn't matter in the education field. Suppose you took admission in the engineering and you give option over there. Let's see, if I'm not able to do the engineering, I will do the art. Then definitely you will not basically able to take the degree from that particular institute. Whatever you are having in your life, you did these things in no option situation. In the same way, this is the career field. It is very important to give no option to yourself. Karna hai to karna hai. Are you getting my point? So put 100% effort and always work in no option situation with that organization. Then after always have the competitive spirit over there. Competitive spirit doesn't mean that comparison. Competitive spirit, it means that you have to push your limits. You have to put your 100% effort. Are you getting my point? You have to, every day give, new opportunity to build yourself. Set the new examples over there. Set the positive examples. Create the identity. And for that, if you, basically need to put double effort, put that. Put double effort, triple effort, but always have the competitive spirits. Set new records. Wherever you are working in that organization, set new records. Be a positive example for that organization. And next thing is very, very important, that don't analyze your effort. Never ever analyze your effort. Are you getting my point? Because you are building yourself in the career field. So just put your effort on day-to-day basis. Just work so much hard on day-to-day basis. Just start focusing on the building yourself, and let's see the result after getting some time. If you are carrying yourself as an owner there, you are carrying your owner mentality instead of employee mentality, definitely the things will started basically the getting changed. Are you getting my point? So these are the certain points which we need to follow on our career field on day-to-day basis. Fear of loss to yourself, work in no option situation, always have the competitive spirit, and don't analyze your effort. Thank you very much.